Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying expressions with positive exponents. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression 2 raised to the third power plus 7 squared. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to simplify this expression using the rules of exponents. Let's get started. Step 1. Evaluate each exponent in the expression. First, find the value of 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. Next, find the value of 7 raised to the power of 2. 7 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 7 times 7, which equals 49. Now the expression is altered from 2 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 2 to 8 plus 49. This completes step 1, where we simplified the exponents. Step 2. Add the results from the previous step. Now the expression is altered from 8 plus 49 to 8 plus 49 equals 57. This completes step 2, where we sum the simplified exponents. Since there are no further operations to perform, 57 is our final simplified result. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.